Welcome back to another Medtech Snapshot, the one question, one answer medical device podcast. With me today is a good buddy of mine, Scott, and Scott's going to educate us on some of the finer things as it relates to being an OEM and selecting a contract manufacturer, as well as sitting in the contract manufacturer's seat and learning what they look for in an OEM. So stay tuned. All right, Scott. Well, as the COO of BrosMed, I would love to get your feedback on, from the contract manufacturer side, how would you describe who your best customer is, those customers being the OEMs themselves, whether it's a startup or a strategic? What are some of those behaviors and attributes you look for in a great customer?
Wow, another great question. Customers are interesting. You have a full mix of unique personalities, but really, I like the precision and quality-driven customers. I like the customers that come in and say they know the importance of quality, they know their design, they know they need to have what is the critical dimension, the critical requirement, and then what we can be a little bit more flexible with. So dialing in that specification. If you work with a partner that has a clear specification, it's going to be much simpler instead of always trying to tweak it. And perfection is the enemy of good enough. So you kind of have to have that mentality of someone who really knows what they're looking for, who did the right design inputs, got the right feedback from the clinicians or the physicians that really can contribute to the ultimate design. I like the long-term partnership. Like, you start with a single program, but you're going to be in this partnership and this growth for a long period of time. So the customers that I know are starting off, I really do like smaller and mid-sized customers that have this long-term view of high growth potential. I think those are the most attractive to who I like working with. And communication is key and difficult. I work with customers right now, and we are everywhere from Asia to Europe to Middle East. I mean, I literally have enough of the startup mid-range companies trying to work with BrosMed. So I have an experience with all of these different sizes and these different communications. So communication is another really key driver. So innovation, wanting to continuously improve, transparent and clear communication, really specific specifications, and then hopefully everyone's always quality driven, because customers who value collaboration, quality, and innovation are exactly where we come from, like what my passion is. So that's pretty much what I look for. If you check those boxes, I know we're going to be successful.